Hey guys, Jamie here from Command Comfort. We're a heating and air conditioning company based in Los Alamitos, California, Orange County. We First of all, I hope this video finds you well during this time. It's a very scary time for all, and that's why we're doing things a little bit differently now. In order to keep us safe and in turn, obviously our customers safe, we're trying something a little bit different for you guys and girls that are at home now. You maybe still need air conditioning or heating installed, but you're probably nervous to have an estimate. So what we're doing to alleviate that stress and that worry and that risk of spread is we're doing virtual estimates. We're actually going to start taking appointments next week. We're going to perform them mostly from right here in the showroom, where we have all the different fan calls available for the Mitsubishi ductless systems. With a little bit of help from yourselves, we'll be able to come up with a really accurate price without even having to meet face to face. If you like the company, if you like us as a team, if you like the product and you like the price and you wish to proceed, we can do 90% of it remotely, and we just come out for the final sign off when we need to before we get the installation started. So we're going to be doing a few videos on here. We're going to be doing a full product demonstration here in a couple of days, so please come back, tune in for that, and watch this series. It's going to be very educational and hopefully very good for business and very good for everyone needing help in these times. Stay safe, guys, and we'll see you soon. Thank you.
Command Comfort. Climate control for life.